House maybe getting a little frustrated because the number of things they're trying to undo in the by the Republican legislature over these past 2 years are getting stonewalled in the state Senate. We certainly saw that a month ago with the education tax credit when Hampton Republican Senator Nancy Stiles, even though she had opposed the tax credit, essentially said, look, I'm not going to vote to repeal the tax credit. The House has passed that bill, but Senator Stiles has said she won't vote to repeal it. That essentially means it can't get any more than 12 votes probably in the state Senate, so you have a 12-12 tie, so that repeal bill won't happen. Well, another repeal effort just took another hit in the Senate last week. As we first reported on our live news feed on Thursday, North Country State Senator Jeff Woodburn, a Democrat from Dalton, announced that he opposes repeal of the so-called stand your ground law, which essentially allows people in public to use deadly force to defend themselves. No big shock here. Senator Woodburn comes from a district where gun owner rights is very strong in the North Country. The National Rifle Association and the gun owner groups in New Hampshire are very potent in that district. Jeff Woodburn's a freshman Democrat, probably a good issue on which him to try and align himself with that constituency. I think these gun owner organizations and their members have been very aggressive with emails and phone call campaigns. I think they've been effective in making their case with Senator Woodburn. I think Senate Majority Leader Jeb Bradley has already indicated he felt that that all 13 Republicans were going to support the Stand Your Ground law and fight any effort to repeal it. So I think that's another issue that's going to go by the boards. There are several other bills that attempt to undo what Republicans did for the past 2 years, including the voter ID law. We'll be following all those for you here at NashvilleTelegraph.com.